I am going to Italy. I am going on my dream trip, and this is all the stuff that I'm going to bring with me. I have literally been procrastinating making this video for maybe 46 minutes. Once I actually start recording this, then that means that I have to start packing for Italy, a trip that I have been planning for almost a year. But I've been thinking about going to Italy literally since I was 6 years old. Now that I'm about to pack for it, that means that I'm about to go, and then when I go, that's like me making my dreams come true. So today I want to pack for Italy. You might be thinking, why is this about to take up an entire video? Look at my list of things I need to bring in one backpack. Like, how am I supposed to go 3 weeks without me snuddy? It has been a while since I solo traveled. I went away in August, but I only spent literally a few hours by myself. Since that, I think it was like March, literally almost a year since I've solo traveled completely by myself. And now I'm going back into the world all by myself for literally 3 weeks. And I'm not just staying in one place, I'm literally backpacking through Italy from Milan up to Lake Como and right down, and I'm ending in Rome. I was going to do the whole entire country, but I thought I might get a little bit exhausted, and also maybe that's not good, very good financially. Maybe next year I'll do the bottom half of the country. Actually, I'm feeling a little bit nervous about going, and I feel like every single time I go on holiday, I was literally on holiday 2 weeks ago. I was on a trip to Edinburgh with girls. Don't know if you've seen that video yet. I put it out last week. If you haven't, you should go watch it. And I still feel like I forget how to pack for the airport, and if there somehow is going to be a secret in my bag. I want to make sure that ready for security. Even though my bag's getting checked in, why am I being so dramatic? Like, my bags, I literally have a backpack, which I'll show you, but I have to pack that, and I have to pack like my little carry-on bag. I'm excited to go to Italy. I feel very like it's not real. I'm a little bit anxious about the plane, because literally when me and Becky were flying home from Edinburgh like 2 weeks ago, the turbulence was crazy. We were convinced that we were done for. And now I have to get on a plane by myself for 4 hours. That was a 40-minute flight, and now I have to sit on a plane for 4 hours all by myself. So I'm hoping that when I pack, it starts to feel real. I'm gonna break it down so it doesn't feel so chaotic and overwhelming. I'm gonna start with like doing my liquids and getting like my wash kit, my makeup and stuff like that. I feel like that's the easiest place to start, and I might give you guys a little haul of all the things that I may have bought for my backpacking trip. And even though I managed to somehow travel an entire country for literally $1,000, accommodation, flights, food, and I did it all by myself, so I went shopping and bought stuff I don't necessarily need. But they're pink and they're pretty and I wanted them. This is going to carry all of the stuff that was on that list. I swear it's gonna fit everything in it. It has like loads of little clippy bits. It opens at the top. It has like these bits to make it more fat. Oh my god, that's a pocket! Then it has a bit for your water bottle, a bit for your other water bottle. I don't know what all the bits are for. It has a bit at the end where you can put your shoes and stuff. And then it has like a raincoat. I got it for Christmas off my amazing sister. Shout out to you, sis. Because we're starting with liquids, I wanted to show you this bag I bought on Shein. A little wash bag. Now it is full of crap right now, to be honest. But you open it and you can hang it up on the shower wall. I thought that was absolutely genius. Not me having no face wash. And I needed to clean the wound. Could I use hand sanitizer or would I die?
You wouldn't die, but it would hurt like a bitch. Italy uses the type C.
Look at me being prepared. Well, I've been packing 5 minutes and I've already had to convince myself to have a sweet treat and a cup of tea. If that's not motivation, I don't know what is. this is what I use here, and then before I literally go, like literally board the plane, put it back in my actual bag. Oh, there's so many like little compartments and stuff. It's so sad. This is probably one of the best €4 I've ever spent in my life. My little face masks. When you open it, it's gonna be hanging like this. Part I put pads because it's like waterproof. Then I have quick access to toothpaste and toothbrush. And then in here I have like plastic bags, bobbins, gum, nail file, stuff like that. Then I'm gonna put my makeup in here when I decide to pack it, but this is what it looks like in the inside. I have my little hairbrushes, all my like wash stuff, popped a loofah there on top. I actually just realised so much left to pack. Why am I such an overpacker? This is like a foldable water bottle. Look at this. This was another purchase that I got that I didn't really need, but I got it anyway. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my god, that's actually so cool. Now I do feel like the water in it might taste a bit rank. I'm trying to avoid being robbed around, you know. So I have like an air tag for this bag, and then I got one of these things that goes in your phone case. I have my beloved travel journal. I don't know if you guys have seen this. I've collected all my little receipts, all my little tickets for things, and I then get like people that I meet along the way to write like little messages and stuff in them. And I want to do it for basically the rest of my life. Officially starting to look like a mess, so you know what that means. We're making progress. I have some stuff that I can't pack literally until the day before. Essentially I'm gonna pack them literally the day before I go. Now I just have to pack clothes. Don't be surprised if you see a FaceTime shot of me and Becky while meanwhile I'm having a meltdown. Defo this. Pretty much that. This, if I wanted to wear my pajama jumper as that, but I think that's extreme. Very earth. I got this t-shirt specifically for Italy. That will go with the green cargos, you know. Technically all of this. Well, it's not the red. Wear the brown. I would could wear my grey hoodie.
Don't sit with hopped over as well, like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear this grey hoodie over, I think, for the airport.
You like your ass in them too?
I do like my ass in these. Let's cut to the chase. We have a brown skirt. We have the red dress that I wore in Edinburgh. Taking that with me. I'm gonna bring that. That smells clean. I ate food, which I really needed, to be honest, because I was actually getting grumpy and my room was getting messy, as you can tell by my surrounding areas. Now I just have to kind of tidy and start like officially actually genuinely packing and putting things in the bag. So I have my piles to fit them into the packing cubes. This is obviously the bulkiest stuff that I have, like jumpers, cardigans, etc. My jacket, my towel. I'm thinking that these two can go into one. Prepared. I kind of feel like I'm dreaming a little bit. I don't really feel like I'm going, and I really don't feel like I'm going to feel like I'm going until I go. Everything I can pack right now, I'm going to pack and put in my bag right now, and then I'm going to call it a day. I feel like in order to be excited, I need to panic a little bit first. And once that panic is out of the way, then I'm going to be like, I'm going to Italy. I am going to Italy. I am going on my dream trip ever. And this is all the stuff that I'm gonna bring with me. ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not.
Come on.
I'm scared. Oh, I'm gonna have to loosen everything up now. Because it's full. No way I got fat in the last 2 days.
And you're sitting down.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh no.
It actually feels fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's not that heavy to be honest.